Thank you, Madam Speaker, and I thank the Honourable Ngawaka for the question. With your indulgence, Madam Speaker, I would like to just explain what marine protected areas are, so that it be clear to the honourable members. Marine protected areas are areas that have been put in reserves by the traditional fishing right owners in their quest to preserve the natural resources within their Ngoli areas. These areas include marine parks, where they have protected reefs, seagrass, seabeds, shipwrecks, archaeological sites, tidal lagoons, mudflats, and mangrove areas. In a short answer to the question raised by the honourable member, yes, I would like to gladly say that this has been effective due to two main reasons. One is the ability to legislate these areas. Through Gazette, MPAs are able to be protected by laws. They give teeth to the management option, which supports the underlying goal of ensuring sustainability over depleting stocks. Second is the involvement of communities and other stakeholders, including NGOs, which helps in these community-based programs. The programs raises awareness and create that support that is required to protect these areas. Thank you, Madam Speaker.